Hello, students. I welcome you all to today's session. After my interaction with you today, I understood that the direct interactions are more welcome. So, thank you so much for the feedback. I really always look forward for your feedback, and that is the biggest strength. And from there, I understand that how to carry forward. Your satisfaction, your understanding is of major concern. Okay, so I try to follow that. Sometimes. Might be possible that I don't understand the things, लेकिन फिर भी I'll try my best that you all get the things properly, आपको आराम आराम से सारी चीजें समझ में आए. We are already carrying on with this very interesting chapter, Nazism. As you all know, काफी सारा हमने कर लिया हुआ है. We are about to complete the chapter. अभी हम इसको sorry children. We are about to complete this chapter. So what we do here is now we understand certain points that are of importance. कल हमने जहाँ पे वीडियो स्टॉप किया था वहाँ पे certain points that was very clearly mentioned about the Darwin and Spencer's theory. Darwin's theory क्या था? It was talking about the survival of the fittest. Spencer was saying that survival of the fittest is there. Hitler has established himself and he was moving towards a racial state. He said that the strongest race, that is the Aryan race, which is considered to be as the most powerful one, it should survive and rest everybody should perish. बाकी सारे लोगों को खत्म हो जाना है. It is only the Nazis who will be surviving, because they had come up with the theory of they have come up with the theory of Aryan race theory. They said that the whole world that is there, that is based on the Aryan theory. And आपको ये भी बताती हूँ, I have told in my previous video also, but still I would like to tell you that this theory was given by the German Sanskrit scholar Max Muller. Okay, Max Muller is the person who had studied a lot about the Indian customs and traditions and the Vedas. He gave us the theory that the Aryan theory, that the Aryan race is the purest. No race in the world can compete the Aryans. इनको मतलब he just said directly नहीं कहा, he did not say this directly, but indirectly, like they wanted to say that the life that the people are having and the races that are there all over the world, the Aryans are responsible for that. So this was the German history, and Hitler made it his ideology. That was his idea. He said that he will be establishing a state, he will be establishing a country which is free of undesirables. Undesirables. Now, children, here is the main Nazi ideology that we need to understand, that when Hitler is talking about undesirables, so what does actually he mean about undesirable? In the undesirable category में कौन कौन आता है? तो undesirable में they were all impure and abnormal people, crippled, blind, deaf, ठीक है, गूंगे, बहरे, अंधे, लूले, लंगड़े. I'm just talking in simple. All these people need to be exterminated. सबको निकाल के हटा देना है जर्मनी से. And Germany needs to become a country, it needs to become a state which is free of all kinds of irregularities, mismanaged. He forgot that human creation is not the work of human beings. It is the work of God. So, in the wake of establishing an Aryan state, a very purest state, he had taken some very wrong decisions. This was the beginning. He started his euthanasia program. Now, what was euthanasia program? Now, remember the Helmut's father? When we started the chapter, we talked about a boy Helmut. His father has committed suicide because when the Germans have lost in the Second World War, so he was very scared. He thought कि अब तो Germans हमसे बहुत बदला लेंगे. We have killed them brutally. Brutally killing was there. मतलब विदाउट थिंकिंग, बिना सोचे समझे अगर किसी को मारना है तो वो मार ही देते थे. दे डिड नॉट थिंक ऑफ कीपिंग दीज जर्मन्स अलाइव. तो यहां से द मिस्टेक स्टार्टेड. यूथनेशिया प्रोग्राम स्टार्टेड. मेंटली एंड फिजिकली अनफिट पीपल वेर किल्ड एंड खाली देयर वाज अ कम्युनिटी कॉल्ड एज द Jews. अभी ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द स्टोरी ऑफ द Jews. I have discussed it in the previous video, but still I am again explaining it to you so that you understand. Jews was the community, it is said, because the Christian community that is there, amongst the Christian community, it is considered that Jesus Christ was crucified. Crucified क्या था? Jesus Christ, you know, is their God. He on a cross, एक क्रॉस बना के उनके हाथों में कील ठोक के और पैरों में कील ठोक के उनको लटका दिया गया था. I mean, and then also he was saying कि oh God, forgive them for they don't know what they are doing. मतलब that was the greatest of the person that anybody, कि जो बुरा भी कर रहे हैं उनके लिए भी आप अच्छा सोच रहे हो. तो he was the God. And the people who had crucified him, जिन्होंने उनको क्रॉस पे लटका दिया था, they were the Jews. So this was the major point said by Hitler, that he will take revenge from the Jews and all the Jews would be exterminated. सारे Jews को निकाल देना है. And खाली Jews ही नहीं, there were the gypsies. Gypsies, you know, बंजारे जिनको कहते हैं, they keep on moving from one place to the other place. There were the black people who were living in the Nazi Germany. All these people were considered as racially inferior. Means अभी जर्मनी में कौन रहेगा? It is only the Aryans who would be staying in Germany. Rest all the people would be taken for the final solution. अभी ये फाइनल सॉल्यूशन क्या था? Wait, I'll explain it. So all these people who were considered as racially inferior, they who threatened that there would be biological purity of the superior Aryan race. मतलब कि प्योरिटी खराब हो जाएगी आर्यंस की अगर ये लोग जर्मनी में रहते हैं. तो these Aryans will be impaired by getting touch to these Jews and these black and these gypsies and the physically unfit people. So this program was carried on. They were widely persecuted. Persecuted means इनको बहुत बुरी तरह से मारा गया. And even Russians, the Poles means the people who were staying in Poland, they were considered as subhuman. मतलब they were not considered to be fit to be as carrying on their lives as human beings. मतलब सब ह्यूमन में भी बहुत नीचे वाले रेस को ये लोग बिलोंग करते हैं. That was the thought process of the Germans. पता नहीं क्या सोच रहे थे. What was going on in their mind? What was their ideology? अभी क्या सोच रहे थे ये तो मैं नहीं कह सकती हूँ, because when further you study history, you come to know that Hitler was very hurt with whatever had happened in the First World War. And that is what was very deep rooted in his mind, that he will be not leaving anybody who had done injustice to the Germans in the First World War. तो वो उनके वजह से इन सब सोच की वजह से इनका दिमाग इतना खराब हो गया था that he have made up his mind कि अब वो बिल्कुल भी जर्मन्स को जरा भी द जूस को टॉलरेट नहीं करेंगे. Now, Germany occupied Poland. Poland को इन्होंने occupy कर लिया, and parts of Russia. They captured the civilians and they were forced to work as slave labor. Civilians से ये labor का काम कराते थे. Civilians means the people, common people who were there in these countries. So many of them died simply through hard work and starvation. Means पोलैंड को कैप्चर किया, तो देयर वर सिटीजन्स हु वर लिविंग इन पोलैंड, देयर वर सिविलियंस हु वर लिविंग इन पोलैंड. They were made to do so much of hard work that they died. Many of them died. There was no food to eat, starved, भूखे थे. तो now you can understand that the condition of Germany was getting worse day by day. People were quite कोई इतना सब, everybody was so scared of Hitler because you remember his secret police force, the SD, the SA, the SS, the Cheka, so much of police was there. हर जगह पुलिस घूमती रहती थी. They had their ears and eyes open and they sensed and they smelled anything that was against the against Hitler or his group. तो immediately action was taken. Okay. तो सबसे ज्यादा in Germany at this time, the people who were worst sufferers were the Jews. Nazi hatred of Jews had a प्रीकर्सर मतलब बहुत पहले की बात है ये. प्रीकर्सर, ठीक है. कर्सर जो होता है ना, उसको आप आगे ले जाते हो और पीछे ले जाते हो. यू नो द माउस ना, द कंप्यूटर वाला जो माउस आपने देखा हुआ, तो कर्सर जो होता है, व्हाट यू डू, यू टेक इट बिफोर, यू टेक इट आफ्टर. सो देयर वाज अ प्रीकर्सर कि जूस के साथ इतनी हेट्रेड क्यों थी, व्हाई दे हैड सो मच ऑफ हेट्रेड विद द जूस. तो it is because of the Christian hostility towards the Jews. Traditional Christians were always hostile towards the Jews. Jews को बहुत अच्छी तरीके से ये नहीं देखते थे. And they had been stereotyped. मतलब कह दिया गया था, just now the story I told you, कि the group which has crucified Christ, जिन्होंने क्राइस्ट को क्रॉस पे लटकाया था, वो जूस थे. तो ये मान के चले जा रहे थे, these people were believing on this faith that Jews are the ones who had killed the Christ. तो इसका बदला लेना है और Jews से बहुत ज्यादा बदला लेना है. They really wanted to take revenge from the Jews, and that's why they were taking up to this very harsh activity. And Christ and usurers. Okay, I'm sorry children. So Christ and the usurers who were there, उनके लिए था. तो अभी क्या था, until medieval times में what happened, Jews were barred from owning land. अभी children इसमें some of the meanings are given here in your chapter. जो पेज नंबर 62 में आपको ये सारे मीनिंग्स मिल जाएंगे. जिप्सीज तो वेर दोज पीपल हु वेर वांडरिंग, हु वेर मूविंग अराउंड. एंड इन जर्मनी द जिप्सी कम्युनिटीज दैट वेर देयर, इसमें देयर वेर two of the prominent groups were there. One was Sinti and the other was Roma. So Sinti and Roma were two of the gypsy communities. Many of them were traced. बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे थे. Many of these gypsy communities were there who have migrated from India. India से migrate करके they have gone to the other parts. So that was also one of the major things. They traced their origin to India. Many of them were pauperized. Pauperized means brought down to extreme poverty. बहुत ज्यादा गरीबी की लाइफ जिनको जीनी पड़ रही थी. They were called as the pauperized people. They were reduced to absolute poverty. बहुत ज्यादा गरीबी थी. There was persecution, systematic organized punishment of those people who were belonging to a group of religion. Persecution मतलब कि बहुत systematic तरीके से मारा गया. Means systematic and organized punishment. They were persecuted of those belonging, जैसे कि Jews were persecuted. It was thought how to kill them and how to kill maximum Jews. एक दो को नहीं मारना था, हजारों को मारना था. Thousands of Jews were to be killed. Okay. So, systematic and organized punishment was there. Usurers were there. Money lenders charging excessive interest, often used as a term of abuse. बहुत ज्यादा किसी के साथ अगर मिसबिहेव करना है तो यूजरर्स वेर देयर, जिनसे कहा जाता था इनसे ज्यादा से ज्यादा टैक्सेस लो. एंड until medieval times तक क्या था, Jews were barred from owning land. It was said that Jews, because they have killed Christ, उन्होंने क्राइस्ट को क्रूसिफाई किया था, तो दे शुड नॉट ओन एनी लैंड एंड दे शुड हैव अ वेरी बैड लिविंग. इनको बहुत भी बुरी तरह से रखना चाहिए, इनके लिए कोई भी रेस्पेक्ट वाली चीज बिल्कुल भी नहीं होनी चाहिए. तो हिटलर्स हेट्रेड ऑफ जूस एंड जूस का ग्रुप को क्या किया इन्होंने, दे वर कलेक्टेड इन अ ग्रुप, ऑल द जूस वर आइडेंटिफाइड एंड दे वर केप्ट इन घेटोस. ठीक है, अभी ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आर घेटोस. 1 मार्क के लिए इट्स अ वेरी फ्रीक्वेंटली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन चिल्ड्रन, दैट व्हाट आर घेटोस. Ghettos are those places where the Jews were kept like animals. If I say they were kept like animals, मैं ज्यादा नहीं बोल रही हूँ, मतलब I am saying very less. इससे भी बुरी कंडीशन, मतलब they were kept in a worse condition than that also. Okay. So, separately marked areas were their ghettos. They were often persecuted through periodic organized violence. They were killed, they were beaten, they were hanged to death and expelled from the land that they had owned at times. It was there that they were made to work on those lands. सोचो जिस जगह के कभी आप मालिक रहे होंगे, अचानक से वहां पे आपको काम करवाया जाए, कैसा लगेगा. तो Jews were having a very dreadful living condition, and Hitler's hatred of Jews was based on pseudo scientific theories of race. Now, what is pseudo scientific theories of hatred? That conversion, abhi many Jews said na, Jews were so scared कि without any reason, the way they were being killed, तो they said कि we are ready to become Aryan, हमको आर्यन बना दो, हम Jews नहीं रहना चाहते, we don't want to be Jews. So he said, no, it is pseudo scientific. You are born a Jew, you will be dying as a Jew. You can't change your race or your tradition. So it would be solved only through a total elimination. Your problem, means Jews' problems, could be solved only through one way. And what was that? Taking them to the final solution. What was that final solution? So, final solution. What final solution did they think of? 1933 to 1938, Nazis, what did they do? They terrorized, they pauperized, segregated the Jews. All the Jews from all over Germany were collected and they were brought at one place, and it was decided that they would be killed. They would be taken for the final solution. They will be taken to Poland. Poland was the place where all these killings were happening. This mass killings that was happening, it was happening at Poland. And now Germany, I mean, under the leadership of Hitler, was moving towards a country which was thinking of a racial utopia. Now, what is utopia? You need to understand. Utopia is an imaginary situation. ठीक है, यूटोपिया इज समथिंग दैट इज वेरी फार अवे फ्रॉम रियलिटी. सच्चाई से उसका कुछ लेना देना नहीं होता है. इट इज जस्ट दैट पीपल थिंक ओके दिस इज टू बी डन, और ऐसा करना ही है. लेकिन क्या सच में ऐसा हो सकता है? कैन सच अ थिंग बी पॉसिबल? तो यूटोपिया इज अ सिचुएशन, imaginary situation which people try to make it real. Anybody can do that. I can be thinking of utopia. I think of a situation where I am going to compete with some of the brilliant people in the world, उनके साथ अरे I'll go and I'll compete and I'll defeat them. यूटोपिया है, इमेजिन कर रही हूँ, हो सकता है रियल भी हो जाए, आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट, कम ऑन. तो जस्ट फॉर फन पर्पस, ओके. तो genocide was there, and war situation was there. Poland was occupied and Poland was divided. What was happening was that um, all the Polish people who were there, their homes and properties, because now what happened, when people came to know that Hitler is coming towards our country, they छोड़ के भाग जाते थे. पता नहीं that if they consider, they were also considered as Jews and sent for the final solution in the concentration camps. Concentration camps again a very scary place जहाँ पे कि people were killed, mass killing was there. तो पोल्स वेयर देन हर्डेड, सबसे पहले पोलैंड के लोगों को, बिकॉज पोलैंड वाज टू बी फर्स्ट, इट वाज टू बी वेकेटेड, and then people were to be taken there for the final solution. So Germans, what did they do? Poland became the place of the extinction of the undesirable people, and all the people from Poland who were from intelligentsia. Intelligentsia means all the educated people, जो बहुत पढ़े लिखे लोग थे, सबसे पहले उनको मार दिया इन्होंने. Why? Why? You are thinking why? Because the people who understand the wrong and right, and those who can raise their voice against Hitler, they were the ones who were taken for the final solution first. सबसे पहले उनको हिटलर ने कहा इनको हटा दो, because they are the ones who can create problem for Hitler. Okay, so they were murdered in large numbers, and entire people intellectually and spiritually who looked like Aryans were forcibly snatched, and they were examined by the race experts. Like suppose I'm a teacher. Okay, I'm a teacher. Suppose I'm a teacher. Come on, I just said, like I'm a teacher, huh? Which subject teacher I am? I'm social science teacher. Same, you have Indresh sir, you have Rakesh sir, maths teachers. Teacher को देख के, at that time there were certain group of teachers, there were certain group of people who were called as racial experts. They will come, they will make you stand, then they will measure your nose, they will see your eyes, they will see your eyebrows, they will see your hair, your ear, your structure, your fingers, everything. And then they will say, then they will make their report, and then they will say, okay, you are a Jew. Okay, take him to the final solution. A Jew will take him to the final solution. Okay, you are an Aryan, please, most welcome to Germany, go to Germany, take them to Germany. तो people were so scared कि हे भगवान, अगर ज्यू निकल गए तो क्या होगा. रेशियल एक्सपर्ट्स पर देर ना, सारी चीजें उनकी रिपोर्ट पे डिपेंड करती थी. वॉट एवर रिपोर्ट दे विल बी मेकिंग, अकॉर्डिंगली द डिसीजन वुड बी टेकन. एक आम आदमी के लाइफ की कोई कीमत नहीं रह गई थी. हाँ, तो with some of the largest ghettos and gas chambers, the general government had taken them to the fields for the Jews. Cars were there, and lot of structures were made, which were taken, where the people were taken for the final solution. गैस चैम्बर्स वेयर देयर. गैस चैम्बर्स में इमेजिन लोगों को भर दिया जाता था और जहरीली गैस छोड़ दी जाती थी. सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट हाउ ड्रेडफुली द पीपल माइट बी डाइंग. एक तो मर रहे हैं, ऊपर से इतनी बुरी मौत मर रहे हैं. हाँ, देन चिल्ड्रन, हाउ द पीपल वेयर टेकन टू द डेथ स्टेप बाय स्टेप. हाँ, द कंप्लीट एक्सप्लेनेशन इज गिवन हियर. आप देख लेना, इट इज गिवन ऑन योर पेज नंबर एक बार ना यू चेक दिस. Steps to that, it is one of the very big ones. काफी काफी बड़े में दिया हुआ है, आप इसको देखोगे. Look at these pictures. ध्यान से देखना कि how the people were made to live, and step by step. मतलब imagine somebody knows that will be dying in certain time. कुछ दिनों में वो मरने वाले हैं, and they will be taken to the concentration camps and all that. कैसा वो आदमी तो जीते जी मर जाएगा. You tell any person that you're going to die, so that person will die a death where nobody is there to save him. So marriages between Jews and Germans were forbidden. Jews and Germans cannot have any kind of a relationship. That was one of the major factors that people needed to follow. The Jews people could not fly the national flag. National flag was meant only for the Germans. Other legal measures that were introduced was boycott of Jewish business. No German will have any business connections with the Jews. Government services में से Jews were expelled, forced selling, confiscation of their properties. Jewish properties, just मतलब people used to come to know, oh, a Jew person, इसकी दुकान तोड़ दो, इसका घर को लूट लो. That kind of a situation was there. Can't be appreciated. But then that's how it was. Okay. Park में there were benches where it was written it is meant only for the Aryans. Ghettoization was there, means nobody wanted to go to the ghettos. People, I mean the Jewish people who were living there, they were living a dreaded life. इतनी गंदगी होती थी, and in one room 50 people were made to, उनको मतलब ठूस ठूस के वहां पे रखा जाता था. That condition was there. Okay. And the Germans, they very nicely declared that no Jews should stay in Germany, and all the Jews should just leave Germany, and many of them were annihilated, killed. Okay. There was no right to live, and Jews were moved out from the Jewish camps to the concentration camps, the places where they were killed very badly. उनके कपड़े, उनके जूते, इन सब की भी फोटोग्राफ्स दी हुई है. चिल्ड्रन, यू कैन जस्ट सी इट. आई डोंट फील वेरी कंफर्टेबल टॉकिंग अबाउट इट बिकॉज दे वर ऑल्सो ह्यूमन बींग्स ना. ह्यूमन बींग्स के साथ दिस काइंड ऑफ एन इनह्यूमन ट्रीटमेंट is not acceptable. That was there. Okay. So you go through it once, children, and then we talk about the next topic, that is youth in the Nazi Germany. What was the condition of the young people in the Nazi Germany? Thank you, children, and all the best to you.